There has been a worldwide phenomenon occurring for years that has puzzled many: trumpet sounds and mysterious booms in the sky. These unexplained sounds were particularly prevalent about 6 to 8 years ago, but they seem to be making a comeback in the past year. Could this be some unknown technology at play, related to the UFO phenomenon, or perhaps even a warning from God in the heavens? The Bible tells us in Job 37 verse 3, "He unleashes his lightning beneath the whole heaven and sends it to the ends of the earth." Could these sounds be a sign from God? The Bible also speaks of God having a controversy with the nations and pleading his cause with all flesh, Jeremiah 25 verse 31. Could these strange sounds be a part of a larger divine plan or a warning of things to come? In 2018, the strange sound phenomenon seemed to be increasing worldwide, leaving many people puzzled and searching for answers. People from different parts of the world reported hearing trumpet-like sounds, humming noises, and strange rumblings that seemed to come from the sky. In Sweden, Michigan, and British Columbia, Canada, individuals reported hearing these mysterious sounds, with some even describing them as trumpet-like. Dr. Glenn McPherson from British Columbia heard a strange humming sound in his home, which he initially thought was from an appliance. However, after cutting the power to his entire house, the sound only grew louder, revealing that he was not alone in experiencing this strange phenomenon. This led him to coin the term worldwide hum to describe these occurrences. After a period of relative quiet, these strange sounds have started to resurface once again in recent times. People from various parts of the world have shared their experiences of hearing trumpet sounds and other mysterious noises in the sky. Many believe these sounds are a warning from God and a call for people to turn back to Him. In the book of Revelation, angels are described as blowing trumpets as part of the end-time events, signaling massive judgments upon the earth. While the apocalyptic events described in the book of Revelation may not be unfolding on earth currently, could these mysterious sounds be a precursor or a spiritual manifestation of some sort? The Bible tells us in Ephesians 6 verse 12, "For our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the rulers, against the authorities, against the powers of this dark world, and against the spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly realms." Could these sounds be a manifestation of spiritual warfare happening in the heavenly realms? Videos and eyewitness accounts of these strange sounds often come accompanied by other unusual occurrences, such as extreme weather events, power outages, and even sightings of unidentified flying objects, UFOs. Some speculate that these events may be linked to unknown technology, or even the controversial HAARP, High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program facility, which is said to have the ability to manipulate the ionosphere and potentially influence weather patterns. In some instances, the strange sounds are accompanied by sightings of strange lights in the sky, reminiscent of the blue light incident over Queens, New York, in 2018. Some people also draw connections between these mysterious sounds and the UFO phenomenon, especially when sightings of unidentified objects coincide with the strange noises. The intersection of unexplained phenomena like these often fuels speculation and debate about their origins and meanings. One particularly intriguing video from the Philippines shows a man and his daughter recording strange sounds during a storm, with a brief glimpse of an unidentified object flying nearby. The direction of the object's movement, seemingly against the wind, adds to the mystery surrounding these events. People have also reported hearing mysterious booms accompanying these strange sounds, leading to theories ranging from secret military experiments to underground activities or even extraterrestrial involvement. While some videos depicting these strange sounds may be fabricated or exaggerated, The sheer volume of reports and the consistency of the experiences shared by people around the world cannot be ignored. The prevalence of these phenomena raises questions about the nature of reality, the existence of otherworldly beings, and the possibility of unseen forces at play in our world. In the midst of these strange occurrences, some find themselves contemplating the idea of a spiritual war unfolding around us, with these mysterious sounds serving as a reminder of the unseen battles being fought in the heavenly realms. As believers, we are called to put on the full armor of God and stand firm against the schemes of the devil. Ephesians 6 verse 11. Could these events be a wake-up call for humanity to turn back to God and seek His protection and guidance in these uncertain times? Ultimately, the mysteries of the universe and the spiritual realm are beyond our full comprehension as finite beings. As we navigate through these uncertain times and encounter strange phenomena, may we find solace in the words of Psalm 46 verse 10. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. Let us seek peace and understanding in the midst of the unknown, trusting in God's sovereignty and His ultimate plan for the universe. As we reflect on these strange occurrences and ponder their possible meanings, it's essential to approach them with an open mind and a discerning spirit. While we may not have all the answers to explain these mysterious sounds and events, we can turn to our faith and seek comfort in knowing that God is in control. The Bible reminds us in Isaiah 55 verses 8 to 9, "For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares the Lord. For as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways and my thoughts than your thoughts." In times of uncertainty and confusion, it's crucial to hold fast to our faith and trust in God's plan for us. These strange occurrences may serve as a reminder of the spiritual battles that surround us and the need to stay rooted in our beliefs. The Apostle Paul encourages us in Ephesians 6 verse 13, "Therefore put on the full armor of God, so that when the day of evil comes, you may be able to stand your ground." While we may never fully understand the origins of these mysterious sounds and phenomena, we can find peace in knowing that God is with us every step of the way. Psalm 91 verse 15 assures us, "He will call on me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him." Let us take comfort in the knowledge that we are not alone in facing the uncertainties of this world. As we navigate through these strange and puzzling times, let us remain steadfast in our faith and seek guidance from the one who holds the answers to all mysteries. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6 reminds us, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight." By placing our trust in God and seeking His wisdom, we can find clarity and peace amid the confusion of the unknown. While the strange trumpet sounds and mysterious booms in the sky continue to baffle us, let us approach them with a sense of wonder and awe at the mysteries of God's creation. As we ponder these phenomena, may we draw closer to our faith, seeking solace and guidance in the midst of uncertainty. Let us remember the words of Psalm 46 verse 1, "God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble." With God as our guide, we can navigate through the mysteries of life with confidence and trust in His divine plan.
If you enjoyed this video and want more insights into Bible prophecy, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more enlightening discussions. Until next time, keep seeking the truth.